Good morning. This morning for my Friday video, I'm going to talk about post-secondary education. If you have a paternity action or divorce action, any kind of child support orders, in order to ensure the payment of college expenses or any kind of post-secondary education on behalf of the children that are subject of that order, you must file a petition for post-secondary educational orders and/or get an agreement for post-secondary educational orders prior to the child turning 19 years of age. Even if your decree is from years ago when it was age 21, it is now age 19 by change of statute a few years ago. If you have a child who's 16, 17, getting ready to enter their junior or senior year in high school, you may want to consider speaking to your ex-spouse or the other parent to see if you can reach an agreement with regard to payment of college expenses. College expenses can be significant, even with scholarships, even with any kind of grants, and unless you want to risk not getting those payments ongoing through the end of school, you really need some kind of order for post-secondary educational expenses. I always recommend that you file your petition for post-secondary educational expenses no later than about October, November of the child's junior year in high school. That way it ensures that if there's some delays in the court system, you can still get that within a year, 18 months of the filing, and that way everything is ready to go for that child to start school in August. Typically, college expenses are split by the percentages of the party's income, with any scholarships or loans or anything that the child can get, and loans being the Stafford loan, not necessarily any kind of private loan, but take that off the top as the child's portion, and then the rest is divided. Some parties do third, a third, a third. That's becoming more and more common, or assigning a third to the child and the other 2/3 being divided by the parties' incomes. The thing to remember is file that petition, get those orders prior to the time the child, you have to file the petition prior to the time the child turns 19. Get those orders in place. Don't trust that anybody's going to pay because after 19 you can't get the orders. And then exchange income information and do the calculations. If you have any questions, call me, Janice Mandla Mattingly, 317-815-0340. Thanks.